Our first meal is chimek. What about my favorite chicken?
Hold on. I don't like.
He said I don't like. Korean banchan. Hey, slippery.
In our first morning in Seoul, we went to the National Museum. The building is very big and the surroundings are beautiful, although we found a bit disappointing the exhibition inside.
Okay, picture. Perfect. 뭐 읽어? It's all Korean.
알아요.
Until last year, there was a food court on the 31st floor, so we could see the view in there, but it is closed now.
This one is Korean gas station. Totally for free. You just press me and you have free air for cleaning the teeth or cleaning the face. So strong and cold.
We just arrived on convenience store near to Hangang. This one actually floating on the river, so it is special if we think it is good. Oh, now we will try ramen or some snacks here. Look at this one. It is cup ramen table. Let's go inside.
Now we are going to cook the ramen. We leave the bag here and nothing will happen. Bye bye.
Now we will try to make a ramen with machine. There is explanation here, so you can follow this process. Scan first. And put here with light.
So after 5 minutes, it's still there.
He said he likes this one.
맛없어요. 진짜 맛있어요.
There are steamed mandu. For our dinner, we ordered kimchi mandu and shrimp mandu.
This park is the first modern park built by Koreans. It is famous because it is a meeting point of the elderly in Seoul to take a walk and play games.
How about taste?
Nice taste. I don't know if it's the sauce, the sesame or...
Very kimchi mas. We went to the kimchi museum. The price was 5,000 won. It explains the process of kimchi making, the different types of kimchi. Even you can try to make your own kimchi. At the end, you can try different kimchi. 짠! 잘 먹겠습니다. How about taste?
Best kimchi of them.
안녕하세요. Hola.
여자친구 있어?
남의 연애 이야기 듣는 건 참 재밌어요. 제 얘기는 좀 더 시간이 지난 다음 말씀드릴게요.
Listening another person's dating story is fun, but my story I will tell you later. He's crying.
I just realized something.
He said this one only Korean thing.
Yeah, they don't have cups. They just make it.
So this one is Korean cup.
What? Amazing.
Gyeongbokgung Palace is closed on Tuesdays, but you can enter its museum for free every day.
He said it's so big. This market is famous for paying with traditional coins, although that option is not available on Tuesday. It is also famous for being the only place that sells the tteokbokki fried. 매워?
아니야.
안 매워?
조금 먹어요. 괜찮아요. So they think about everything here, even they give us a bag to put our clothes inside, so they don't get smelly when we cook the food.
For dinner, we tried pork intestines. They provide you the grill so you can heat it yourself depending on your taste.
In Korea, they always put everything here, and then they have to do everything at once, right? Oh, yeah, yeah.
During December inside this river, the city of Seoul sets up a light festival. It was very beautiful.
Here is the Bukchon Eastern Culture Museum. You can see the view of Bukchon Hanok Village, and the entrance fee is 6,000 won with one drink included.
맛있게 드세요.
We recommend getting outside the main roads and getting lost in the side small streets of Bukchon Hanok Village. They are more authentic and beautiful.
So here is a men's place. Only men's occupied these places. Especially this room is kind of the dance office room for the men. So we are now here. Women's place. The heaviest part is roof.
Because of the tiles, or
Because tile. Yes. One tile weighs about 3 or 4 kilo. The heat goes under the floor, then the floor get warm. It's very simple. So many persons here for the birds.
감사합니다.
first time to try Korean sundae. As you can see, it's very similar to black pudding or Spanish morcilla, but this one Korean style. So let's try. more soft.
We just arrived at Gyeongbokgung. Actually, today is last Wednesday, so today is free entrance day, so no entrance fee. Let's take a look. It is the first palace in the Joseon dynasty. It was destroyed during the war with Japan, and it reconstructed in 1865. Originally, it had more than 300 buildings. Now, it only has 36 buildings. 이거 오돌뼈. They're soft bone.
There's a fight outside.
They're fighting.
Super interesting. I thought Korean people come, but they are always fighting and
No, I
saying
think
they
he's crazy.
see the world.
He's crazy.
Yeah. This one, the Turks also.
We went to the 포장마차. 포장마차 is, I don't know how to explain, outdoor bar in Korea.
Very
Tradition.
peaceful place.
Yeah, peaceful place. So you can order alcohol. Mostly there are dishes. You can eat with alcohol. And there are many random people. So someone keep fighting, and then police came. But fine.
Shower naked and you-
Mostly peaceful. Don't worry.
I found that apart from the water in paper, they also put the wine in paper. It's not paper, and bad quality paper, but just wine. It's wine. What the fuck?
It is one of the most famous tradition market in Seoul. It has a lot of things inside, from hanboks to many food. We can choose two. This one gimbap with noodle, 당면, and then this one fish cake, 어묵, vegetable, sweet potato.
That's right.
매워? Is it spicy?
이거지만 맛있어요.
Right, this one breast noodle with kim. Even traditional market chair has heater system, so the chair is warm.
The streets surrounding the market are also very interesting because they have a traditional vibe and an old-style handmade signboards.